Today is actually an interesting day. It's the next day after the spark plugs. Well, not the next day, but it's Tuesday. That was Sunday. Today I am going to rip off a lot of carbon fiber. The exhaust needs to be fixed. So something happened on my way home. I realized while I was actually doing a speed run and my front lip came off. It's gone. It's probably in a black hole somewhere in space because we were going pretty quick. Now it ripped off a canard with it, which was the unfortunate part. The lip was damaged, canard wasn't. Canard did not make sense to get ripped off. Here is one of the canard splitters, which is genuine full carbon fiber. All it does is sit right there on the bumpers. All it's made for is looks. That side went off with it. You'll see underneath, it still got parts of the lip, and I don't know, it was not good necessarily. So today, obviously, take this off because it's trash because I had to order a new set and they're a little bit different. They quit making that kind. And then I'm also going to take these off and save them for the car season. I'm going to take the grills off because it's peeling. I'm going to redo that. These side extensions, well, they're trash because I got new ones, but I'm going to keep them on until probably about May. And then the rear diffuser needs to come off because these bolts are rusted. I'm going to put probably some titanium bolts in there. And I'm also going to put some yellow heat wrap in there to prevent it from getting too hot. Yes, that's also damaged, but it's in the very far inside, so I'm not too concerned about it. The biggest thing though, the thing I can't do, I can't find my jack stand. I need to do my exhaust. You know, when I was doing the exhaust video, link in description, but my exhaust, when I was doing the install, it was touching this little frame piece like that it came with the exhaust, and I was looking under there and they look kind of infused. So what I mean by that is I need to get this thing jacked up. I need to try to fix that for sure. Hopefully it didn't put a hole in the new exhaust. This AWE Track Edition, completely straight piped M4. It sounds really sick. I'm still like every day in love with it. But the first thing I am going to do is I'm actually ripping off my fender pieces. Remember the last video I was actually buffing these out? Well, they have a little bit of a white haze and they're not that old. AutoTecknic, I reached out to them because I really do like their company. I don't know why they're turning white, especially if we couldn't get it out. I'm also running like their paddle shifters, their center, like I got a few things from them. They asked me to take them off. I'm going to send them out to them today, and they're actually going to repair and respray them. I ordered some new badging. The M, it says, instead of M4, it says M Performance. I think that gives it a little bit more character. I ordered those. But as of right now, I need to go ahead and get my tools out, and I'm going to start ripping those badges off. This is a cold start on a 2015 BMW M4. Almost forgot something. Of course we gotta take these things off. It's just 3M tape though, I think, and because they've been on there for so long, they might just come right off. Just a little bit of pressure and wiggle. Obviously don't want to shatter the carbon. I got the bolts out. Now I think we removed everything that I plan on doing other than the exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this inside. Alright, so as you can see, I got the rear diffuser in and we're about to inspect the damage. I do need to take those off. This one and this. These are being sent out to AutoTecknic. So I got the box here. I'm gonna ship those out today. And then the next thing is I'm gonna have to go buy new hardware. But I really want to inspect the damage. That's trash. These are the little plastic tabs. Now this is being really damaged. We got the, okay. So obviously dirty, I need to get washed up. You can see I'm on air. I don't know how people do it static. That whole side is damaged. This is where that tire hit me. Pretty rough. And then you see the damage there from it. You see right here. It's not having too much fun either. I guess the damage isn't too bad. I have been rocking it for a full year. Tabs look good. Ooh, this tab's not looking too good. This tab is looking a little sad right now. Not too bad, still holding up. But I need to get all the new bolts in the thing. This is really kind of trash, unfortunately. Hey guys, so something actually just came in. I want to show you this. So it's from McGuire's. My car has a weird scent now. I keep losing it. So in here, you remember those Axe bombs? I don't know if you ever did Axe bomb, but they were deadly. You would basically jam an Axe, the little spray for like, I don't know, the smells of your body. But you would jam it and it would just not stop. McGuire's makes a thing for your car that's similar to that, but it's actually meant to be that way. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alright, here it is. So it's an air refreshener odor eliminator. I'm going to go put this in the car as we speak. The first step is simply remove the source bad smells from the vehicle and clean affected areas. With the car's fan on high and the air recycle turned on, the odor eliminator mist will move throughout the cabin and ventilation ducting, eliminating odors as it goes. And then it doesn't say how long you go with it. Simply engage the can, locking, trigger, blah 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 blah. I cleaned that top half. I don't care to do the bottom half. I don't think I have enough, but we are going to heat wrap it because it is getting kind of hot, and I think seeing that gold is more like appearance. Seeing the gold might be kind of cool. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's what it looks like. So see that's going. One. Now we need to let that run for 15 minutes. Now, I know it's kind of useless to have it back in the rear diffuser like that, all that heat wrap. But when you look down there, I think it'll kind of look cool. It's part of why I did it, not necessarily all for a purpose. It's tape, it's not like it weighs anything. Its appearance just like when you spray paint your chrome grills black. I mean, it's just no different. It's gonna look really good. Again, you're not really gonna see that. You're gonna be looking down at the exhaust and you're just barely gonna see gold. Like, I'm telling you, you literally won't notice it unless I point it out, I'm sure. But it's gonna look really good. Now, it's been like 20 minutes since I've been out to my car. Okay, never mind. It's been about 18 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back out to the car and we're gonna see if it smells better, which I'm sure it will. I'm just hoping for long term it's gonna smell really good. Well, it definitely smells better. This is the black chrome smell. It doesn't smell bad. It kind of has that like refreshing smell like you just cleaned your car. I'm just hoping it sticks around for a long time. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Let's get back inside. That will effectively end today's vlog. Today was just a day to try to get all the carbon fiber off and go ahead and see and expect damages. This thing is not, it's pretty good. I bet it'll last another year. Yes, it has its flaws, like right there you can see the white. You can't see that though, it's from scraping. This is in the very back. It's still super sturdy. So we know these parts are really good. I just gotta get some new hardware because the old ones were rusty. The gold, that's gonna be a little bit of a touch. I also have something else, which is secret for the next video. I gotta get those exhausts fixed. I gotta rewrap the grills because they're a year old. Man, it's just winter time. Start recovering. We gotta get the dents out of the car, try and make the car perfect for next car season, change a few things up. I'm not gonna be running a lip probably for the next 4 or 5 months. I bought my winter lip and I broke it. I'm not trying to spend more money on another lip that I'm probably gonna break in a couple days again. So, all right guys, have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.